A nurse is, by the way, my blood pressure is 136 over 84, and I'm weigh 210. A nurse performing a home assessment of an older client would be concerned about which unsafe finding. Number one, non-skid surface on a sleeper. Number two, non-skid backing on small rugs. Number three, electrical cord tape on the floor. Number four, bath mats on the shower stall floor. I'm gonna repeat the question. A nurse performing a home assessment of an older client would be concerned about which unsafe finding. An unskid surface on a sleeper, an unskid backing on a small rug. Number three, electrical cold tape on the wall. Number three, bath mats on the shower stall floor. The answer is number four. Oh, okay, so it's wrong. Let's see. The answer is number three. Electrical cord tape on the floor. So let's see what's the rationale. Electrical cord need to be secure against baseboard. So electrical cord tape on the floor can result in tripping. So option 1, 2, and 4 are safe measure to prevent fall. So note the strategic word unsafe. Eliminate option number 1 and 2 because the word non-skid. From the remaining option, visualize each. Remember, electrical cord tape to the floor can result in tripping. So, okay.